creepy. Oh! Travers, there's eggs! What the? I'm running away! I'm totally running away!
Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Today we are here at Land of Illusion up here in Middletown, Ohio. This is a multi-attraction scream park. They've actually got 6 full-size haunts here, and we are gonna take you through all 6 of them tonight. All right, so up next here is Phobia. This one plays on your deepest, darkest fears. Without further ado, let's get in here and get some scares.
What's it saying?
Hey, where are you coming from?
I don't know! Oh, what is that? Is creepy.
Oh.
I don't like that.
That's not good.
That's
Hello.
so creepy.
Darkness follows you.
Okay.
Oh, God.
That's why you come to see Madame Zila.
Yeah, Madame Zila.
Zila? Oh, there's some symbols there.
Oh.
And a message for you, my dear.
Oh.
From the others beyond the veil.
Thank you.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, God.
Oh my
gosh.
gosh.
There's aliens.
What is going on?
Whoa.
Oh, God. They're banging. Oh, my God.
Uh-oh. They're all watching. Oh, is that one real?
Yeah.
God dang it!
God.
That one is definitely real.
I got blown.
Oh my God! Not again!
Oh, man.
Oh! Travers, there's eggs!
Oh, no.
Help!
Ramp.
Oh! It's growling and stuff. Eyeballs on a lot. What is it? I don't want to know! I don't know. No! Oh, no! I'm running away! I'm totally running away! He threw a spider on me!
Oh, God.
Oh, God! Dr. Daddy, no! You should not steal me with spiders!
Oh, man.
You remember us, don't you?
Sure!
Oh, no.
Trevor!
I don't know. Oh, God. I can't see nothing.
I can't see!
I told you, don't do that.
I can't help it!
Yeah, you're here. Oh, no.
Oh shoot, what is this?
What is this?
Oh God, oh God,
no.
oh God.
Oh, God. It's an upside down birthing canal.
Oh, are you sure? Oh, there really aren't good at that.
Oh, yeah.
No, it's not. No, they're not. No. Okay, oh, it's gross. What the hell? What the hell?
Oh, God.
They're attacking.
Oh, man.
Flying around all day? I don't like you. I do and I don't, okay?
All right, so that was Phobia. Now that is not including the entire haunt. They made us cut a little bit of it out, but I'm glad they let us film this year. So let us know what you thought about what we saw. Let's head on off to the next one.